Hey, are you feeling sluggish, bloated, or maybe just stuck in a weight loss plateau? Before you jump to another fad diet, have you ever thought that the answer might actually be in your glass? So, in today's video, we're revealing the top 10 juice recipes that are not only delicious, but also specifically designed to boost fat burn, detox your body, and really fuel healthy weight loss. Are you ready to juice your way to a healthier you? And the best part is each recipe is totally beginner-friendly. No fancy equipment needed at all. Seriously, all you need is just a blender or a juicer. Alright, first up is the Green Energy Detox, which is packed with fat-burning power. For this one, you'll need 1 cup of spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, half a lemon, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Why does it work? Well, it's high in fiber, helps boost your metabolism, and balances your blood sugar. Okay, next up is the Carrot Turmeric Glow, which is seriously anti-inflammatory. For this one, you'll need 4 carrots, 1 orange, about half an inch of turmeric root, or you can use half a teaspoon of powder, and just a dash of black pepper. So, why does it work? Well, it helps lower inflammation, gives your immunity a boost, and supports both your skin and digestion. Pineapple Celery Flush, also known as the flat belly juice. You'll need 1 cup of pineapple, 2 celery stalks, half a cucumber, and a handful of mint. Why does this combo work? It's a natural diuretic, helps improve digestion, and reduces water retention. And finally, the Lemon Ginger Morning Kickstart. You'll want the juice of 1 lemon, a 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey if you like, and a cup of water. This one's awesome because it stimulates digestion and metabolism right from the morning. Okay, next up is number 5, the Berry Beet Booster. For this one, you'll need half a cup of strawberries, half a cup of blueberries, 1 small beet, you can use it raw or steamed, and half a lemon. This juice is seriously rich in antioxidants, helps improve your circulation, and supports liver detox. It's a real powerhouse, honestly. Now, moving on to number 6, the Watermelon Cucumber Refresher. Just grab 2 cups of watermelon, half a cucumber, and half a lime. This one is super hydrating and really low in calories, making it just perfect for summer weight loss. So refreshing. Apple Cinnamon Metabolism Juice. You'll need 1 apple, a dash of cinnamon, half a lemon, and 1 cup of water. Cinnamon helps stabilize your blood sugar, while the apple gives natural sweetness and fiber. It's a sweet and spicy boost that's great for your metabolism. Okay, so number 8 is the Kale Pear Cleanser. You'll need 1 cup of kale, 1 pear, half a cucumber, and half a lemon. This one works because pear is super gentle on digestion, while kale packs in those detox nutrients. Celery Green Apple Tonic. You'll want 3 celery stalks, 1 green apple, half a lemon, and half a cup of water. This tonic is great for inflammation, bloating, and gut health. Orange Grapefruit Fat Cutter. Just use 1 orange, 1 grapefruit, and about a half-inch piece of ginger. This one is all about a vitamin C overload, which helps burn fat and reduce cravings. So to really get the most out of your juice, try to drink it fresh, ideally within 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, and using a straw can help protect your teeth from those natural acids. Remember, juicing works best when you pair it with a healthy lifestyle, like balanced meals and at least 30 minutes of movement every day. And hey, don't juice high-sugar fruits all day. Balance is super important. Here's what subscribers said after giving these recipes a try. I replaced my afternoon snack with the Green Energy Detox Juice and lost 6 pounds in 3 weeks. That was Jenna R. and Mark D. shared. The lemon ginger shot in the morning totally curbed my cravings. My bloating's gone. Pretty awesome, right? Juicing works because it delivers a concentrated hit of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, but with fewer calories. Think of it as a little metabolic reset. When you juice with the right ingredients, like leafy greens, ginger lemon, or celery, you can fight inflammation, balance blood sugar, flush out toxins, and even support those fat-burning hormones. But here's the thing, juicing should really complement a healthy diet, not replace meals entirely. So, use these recipes as a daily boost, especially in the morning or as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. So, which of these juices will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who could use a natural health boost.